What's up, guys and girls, whoever's watching this? This is a video to show you that I did get the unit up and running. I know that I said I would make a video showing it fully functional, and I haven't done that in a long time because I've been so busy with life. But just wanted to get back to you guys and show you that this unit does work the way I said. You do have to have, for me at least, you have to have the aux cable that connects to the armrest on your vehicle down in here, the armrest in here. If you see there, I have the aux cable. I just drilled a little hole there so I could run it underneath there. But and I did connect it to the front out RCAs inside the vehicle. I know for another guy it was a little different. So, but the RCAs are definitely the key to the puzzle, and the aux cable. If you guys just toy around with that, also get yourself an antenna extender, because what they give you is way too short, and it just makes life so hard to test the unit out. That's what was happening with me. So the best thing is go ahead and get yourself an antenna extender. I mean, they're cheap, like $10 probably, and that way you can actually when you're installing, you can sit this unit here on the side here with all the wires plugged in, and have that hooked up here, and so that way you can try it, just test run, you know what I mean, instead of having to connect it every time. Well, that's how I did it. I don't know, you guys might have a different way of doing it, to each his own, I say. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and show you that it's working up and running, no worries. And that's the unit that's lit up. And here's some music. So it is definitely working. If I go to the Bluetooth, and well, obviously I have my phone connected, so I'm not gonna be able to play anything at the moment, but it does work. Let's see, maybe it does, I don't know. I'm not entirely sure how to, but I know I had it working, so I'm not even worried about that. But it does work. The phone application works. I have the Waze app work, and you can just, if you see here, I have the Wi-Fi connected. So you can actually, if you have like a hotspot on your phone, you can do that. It works really, really well. I have the backup camera on there, and it works really well. The only thing that I didn't do, what I plan on doing, I just don't have the time, is to get the controllers on my steering wheel. Now there's another guy who's spoken to me, and he's got that working, and he sent me the schematics, which I have, which I'm gonna probably do in the next couple of weeks here. I just don't have the time, because believe me, once you put this unit in here, it's kind of hard to get out. It's hard. I mean, and those little clips on the side, they're very flimsy, and with a couple of bigger size screws, they'll fit. But eventually you're gonna if you keep on taking it, I can't constantly take it out because the clips just keep popping off, and I've pretty much used all the screws that I can to retighten that up. So but anyway, it's overall it's a good unit, you know what I mean. I wish that they would give you more instructions unfortunately they don't. And because of the language barrier and because of the time zones, it's kind of like hit or miss with their information, and I really got nowhere. I just finally figured out on my own to try the aux, because on this you have to have the aux pressed, and for you to actually get the sound to come out of your vehicle. At least for me, in my case, that's what happened. So if I don't have the aux pressed, nothing's gonna work. So let's see.
That is a privilege and a joy.
Okay, so if I have FM, it won't play on here because it's going off of here. So you have to have it off the aux, and it plays off the aux. If anybody knows how to do it a different way, please share. That's what this video is about. I'm not saying I'm 100% right, but this is just what happened for me and how it worked for me. All right, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to post something on here, and I'll try my best to reply.